Here comes the hometown boy, Guy Wood, and the Bulldozer. Oh yeah, starts it off with a nice wheelie as he walks her down. Oh yeah, another little slap wheelie on the other side. Guy Wood and the Bulldozer. Look out, there goes the camper. Just exploded it, pulls it back down on two wheels. Coming to the bus. He's off to a great start, but he's trying to keep him going over on this tacky dirt. Oh! Through that Weekend Warrior whoop section. He's hitting everything in sight. Guy Wood and the Bulldozer. Yeah, nice slap wheelie. Powers it out. Up on two wheels. Oh, looks like we've got a... Well, it's not a broken axle. He broke one. Oh, yeah, it is. The front of the truck. He doesn't care if it's broke or not. Guy Wood, the Bulldozer, the bar's hanging off of it. He has snapped that front bar, and he's still driving it. He has not quit. They're trying to get him to stop. He won't stop. Broken or not, he's still going. He's still flying around here. The truck is broke, and he just keeps on going. The clock says all zeros. What an incredible performance. Guy Wood, he's gone crazy. Give it up for Bulldozer! Wow!